Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how you can win Style Showdown easily. So the first tip that I have is if you have custom makeup, only if, you don't need it, but if, just go to free play mode first and save a bunch of makeup so you can just put that on. So save neutral makeup, bold makeup, as well as those non-human makeup, non-human custom makeups. And that's the first one. The second one is you do need to pay for it. Fast walk is very helpful. Unfortunately, it is. It's just that without it, it's more time consuming and you get less time to put on your clothes, I guess. Okay, the next one is, I guess let's go to the Style Showdown. I don't really need to go there, but it's easier, obviously, if you play with your friends, because they'll help you and vote for you, depending on what kind of friends you have, but it is a lot easier. I played the first game, the first win with my friend, and I played the rest without them. So, it is very helpful, but if you have really good style, like me, I'm just kidding, but it's easier to win. Also, it is easier if if there's only 6 players playing. So there is a minimum of 6 players and the maximum is 10. It is way easier if there's only 6 players playing because I don't know, it was just easier for me. And then what else? I guess that's it really. Also make sure when you play with your friends, they're kind of out of the game when you're in the top 3, so that in the last in the finals they can vote for you. But that's all I have really. Also, I think I was really lucky because everybody kept going out of this of the server in game. So there was only 2 left and I had the most I earned the most stars and points, so I just won easily. But yeah, again, it is easier with less people in the game. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.